Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Coral Bay, and the model has been completed inside. So I want to go ahead and show it to you. Okay, this is the Cali floor plan. Okay, and let's go inside and take a look at it. Here we go. You're welcome with this beautiful long hallway. And as you see, you got plank floors, plank tiles. So that's something new that I had changed to this floor plan from a previous. Okay, let's start over here. It's bedroom number one. Okay, over there's your walk-in closet there. And this is, remember this is the model, so it's gonna be a little different. We got offices in here. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, it's a handicap bathroom, no shower. This is the model. And this is bedroom number two. Show you around. Very nice decorated. Okay. This is 1,828 square feet. Okay. Has two bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. Say that again, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I like this really open space here. Closet over here. Here's your 3rd bedroom. Here's the laundry room. And here's your dining, living, and kitchen, all in one space here. So check out the kitchen. Okay, I noticed that on the island here, they changed the sink. Not one of those ugly sinks that comes out. That was a sink that is put from the bottom, so that looks very nice. That's a nice change. I hope to start doing this in all the floor plans throughout. But this is in Coral Bay right now. I don't know if they're going to be doing all over the Cape Coral, but this is in Coral Bay. This is how they're doing it now. Here's your nice kitchen. The nice big pantry. Remember, everything that you see almost comes with it. I mean, there you can see all the appliances come with it and the blinds. So something good with this builder that they give you all the appliances and the blinds except on the slider. You don't get appliance on the slider. Over here is your sauna area with paver floors. And this is your living room. Let me stand over here so you can visualize the dining room area. It's a nice size. I mean, it's very spacious. This is your living room. And from this angle here, you can see the kitchen. Plenty of space to sit 3. Let me stand out here so you can see how spacious this area is. Now let's move into the master bedroom. Very nice decorated. Tell me what you think about the decoration. I think they did a pretty good job. I'm always doing them without no decoration, and they look really nice when they get decorated. You get furniture inside. Over here's the bathroom. Check it out, double sinks. Shower. Tile. Over here you have a closet. I like how they did it, that they actually, for you to hang the clothes on this side and for you to put stuff on this side. It's pretty nice. Over here's your big closet. Nice size. And over here's your toilet closet. So tell me what you think about it. I have done a couple videos on this floor plan, but I never had it furnished like this. It was very nice. I'm gonna put in the description below what's available here in Coral Bay. Also the price of this unit, so you can see how much, you see the prices and everything will be on the link below. Okay, so if you're interested, you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. If you're new to our channel, my wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area for over 20 years. So if you're looking for a home like this or something similar, feel free to contact us and we'll try to help you find what you're looking for. Okay, signing off from Coral Bay. See you on the next video.